Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to make a beautiful and interactive bottom navigation bar. We'll be using the Bottom Nav Bar package available in Flutter. So without wasting much time, let's get started. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more amazing upcoming videos. So here we have our material app, my app, which is a stateful class widget. And now we'll be making our bottom navigation bar. So for that, I've used the package Bottom Nav Bar. You can install this package from the pub.dev site, this bottom navigation bar, and just add this dependency right to your pubspec.yaml file like this. Once you have completed this, you can just import this package to your file. And now we are good to go. So scaffold has the property of bottom navigation bar. So we'll be writing this bottom navigation bar. This will take in a widget that is bottom nav bar, which we have imported right now. Now it has two properties. First is the items list and another is on item selected. On item selected, as the name suggests, will change the page according to whatever item we have selected in our bottom navigation bar. So first let me define this items list. This will take in a list, so we'll be writing this square brackets, and here we'll be having a widget that is bottom nav bar item, which will take an icon and a title. So here we can have multiple items, so let me just copy paste it like this, and here we'll just write, let's say, profile, and another item we should have, let's name it settings. Now on item selected is basically a callback function that will return the particular item. So for that we'll be implementing the page controller. Let us just define some variables right into our state class here. So here I'll be writing a variable named as current index, and let's initialize it to 0. And now here we'll be having a page controller. So this should be page controller, and this will take a page controller variable like this, and this should be null. Now here, as you can see in this documentation, we have to define two functions, that is the init state and the dispose method. So let us just get an init state function and a dispose, and this should be like this, as we have taken this page controller to be null. And now we can just define this callback function on item selected. So this will be the function which will take an index as an argument, and we just need to change its state. So we'll just applying this function set state here, and what it says is we need to make it null. So let's add this exclamation mark here, and now you can see we got this bottom navigation bar here. Let us change the colors of this. So let me change it to orange. Let's do it as the person icon. Now we have changed this, and now if I click here, these items are not changing. So for that we need to have a index that should change when we have selected a particular item. So we have a property as selected index, and this will take in our current index what we have defined earlier, and now it should work expected. So you can see if I click on these items, they are changing their particular, they are changing according to whatever index I am selecting. So yeah, this was all about the implementation of our bottom nav bar. You can just explore it yourself by changing its properties. It has different properties like elevation, we have some background colors and all these sort of things. You can just try it yourself and let me know in the comment section. So this was all for this video, and hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and hit the like button, share it among your friends. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.